Hey, what's going on, everybody? Check this out. Provident Metals just got acquired by a company called Dillon Gage, and they sent out an email here. We're going to look at this email. We're going to talk about it in this video, so let's get to it. So it looks like Provident Metals was acquired by a company called Dillon Gage, and we're just going to read it together. It looks like they have enjoyed nearly 8 years of continued success and improvement, and they're excited to announce they've been acquired by a group of private investors. Looks like they signed a management agreement with one of the largest bullion wholesalers in the world, Dillon Gage. We'll take a look at what those guys are about in a second. Looks like it's only a contract through 2022 to help them with inventory management. So I guess they've got a lot of bullion that they're just not selling. And if I was one to guess, I would probably say their prices are a little on the high end, and that's why they're having inventory problems. So it's exciting to see what's going to come of this, knowing now that they've got somebody that specializes in inventory management behind them. So let's scroll down a little bit more. Yeah, and it looks like they are going to offer a greater inventory selection and depth. So that they got some inventory problems, and that's smart that they were able to see that ahead of the curve, and now they got their eye on the prize. So let's see, nothing's changing as far as their own minting. Everything's going to stay there. They've got new changes to the market, a redesigned prospector coming up, a third release of the Egyptian God series. Oh, that's going to be fun. I like that series. It looks like they're both coming here in the fourth quarter, so that's kind of exciting. That's good news down the pipeline here. Let's see, another new development is the addition of Bitcoin, guys. So that is awesome. This is another site that we can spend our Bitcoin at. I'm pumped about that. They definitely see the value in Bitcoin. The company that they brought on has probably sold them on the idea that, listen, guys, you got to keep up with the times. Bitcoin is the way people are buying and selling. If you're not accepting Bitcoin, you're behind. That's awesome to see that somebody, another big company is accepting Bitcoin. Now, they did change their wiring information, so if you guys pay by that, you want to double check all the information. The numbers and stuff have changed. Other than that, anything new? They've been able to maintain all of their employees, so that's awesome. If you like supporting small businesses and keeping the money here at home, Provident Metals, that's a good company to support. That basically just looks like it was a management contract, not so much of an acquisition. So that's kind of cool. Provident Metals is just kind of moving some pieces around, it looks like, to figure out why they're not making as much money as they should. So that's interesting. I'm curious to see where this is going to go, and I'm curious to know what you guys think about this email. Are you a Provident Metals shopper? Is this a company that you frequent often? Is this going to change how you do business with them? For me, I'm excited that I can spend my Bitcoin someplace new. So I think I'll definitely become more of a consumer through Provident Metals just for that factor alone. So those of you at Provident Metals that may be watching this video, the guys that got you on board with Bitcoin are doing the right thing by you. So high five them on that one, all right? Let's go over to the Provident Metals website, and they have a press release here that I was reading a little bit earlier, and it looks like the acquisition was basically just so they could offer more bullion and probably at better prices, and that's cool. That's a good move. Let's see. Looks like they're going to use Provident Metals' high-end technology infrastructure to offer the same exceptional service, incredible selection, yada, yada, yada. They're redoing the Egyptian God series, which we already know about. All right, so let's see here about Dillon Gage Metals. I've never heard of these guys before. Maybe you guys have. Let me know what you know about them down in the comments below. But it looks like they were founded in 1976. They're one of the world's largest precious metal wholesaler trading firms. So that's probably why I never heard of them. I'm not doing business with these guys, and they're not doing business with me. This firm is an authorized purchaser for all major world mints. They maintain an inventory in over 20 countries. So I think we're going to see more Perth Mint and more coins from around the world coming through here at Provident Metals. That's going to be exciting. I wonder what their price point's going to be, how they're going to stay competitive with the other markets that are already out there. Oh, and it looks like they're also refiners themselves, so they do scrap and everything as well. So this looks like a pretty good acquisition. My opinion is I'm excited, guys. I like the fact that we've got more competition coming into the market. As a consumer, seeing more competition come into the market is a good thing. I think that just means we're going to see the prices being more competitive. We're going to see price sales. We're going to see a lot more flash sales and coupon discounts. We're going to start to see a lot more from these online precious metal dealers, because they got to stay current. They've got to stay on top of the game. And what I'm excited about, I would like to see some of these companies offer an affiliate program. You know, if they run out some sort of deals where, you know, they give a kickback to people like you and I who can refer them new customers. Because I think people like us that stack silver and gold, it's something that's in our everyday life, and no matter where we go, somehow, for me, it always comes up in conversation. Maybe because I lean the conversation that way, but I think as a silver and gold investor, somebody that has their whole world kind of spinning around that, and their retirement built up in that, I think that those are good people to kind of give them an affiliate program. So I'm excited to see if something like that were to come down the pipeline. So that's it, guys. That's all I got for you in this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more, you know what to do. Click subscribe. Make sure you click that bell notification to get notified. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I've got the same name over there as I do right here. But that's it, guys. That's all I got for you. I'll talk to you again real soon. Peace out, YouTube.